Hi there, I'm Lee Holmes, clinical nutritionist, author and founder of the Supercharged Food blog and Love Your Gut food products. I have some exciting news for you and your gut. Nutritionists like me know the many benefits of prebiotics, probiotics, and dietary fibre needed by your digestive system. There's literally reams of data on their virtues. Trust me, I've read them all. It's just that there's never been a one-stop source of these vital gut nutrients. Until now. Over the past 18 months, I've developed the Love Your Gut Synbiotic formula. I'm so proud of this wonderful gut wonder food. Synbiotic populates and feeds the gut microbiome with prebiotic, probiotic, dietary fibre, and digestive enzymes. It supercharges the gut environment so it keeps you and your body in working order. A thriving, or what I like to call a love gut, is key to your overall health. It's so important. I've written 2 best-selling books on the topic of supercharging and healing your gut. A love gut helps combat and mitigate specific gut conditions like bloating, gas, IBS, SIBO, weight gain, fatigue, constipation, leaky gut, and diarrhoea, and the list goes on. If you have any of these conditions, I can share from my own clinical experience that you're not alone. Gut-related conditions are common in our community. Our formulated wonder food, Love Your Gut Synbiotic, does the vital job of repopulating your gut microbiome with 20 billion plus quality probiotics and with the added benefit of prebiotics to keep your microbiome healthy. The digestive enzymes in our multi-symbiotic complete the job by aiding their digestion and disbursement of nutrients and disposal of waste. It's a pretty big job. Your gut will love Synbiotic. I take it every day for my autoimmune condition, and I find looking after my gut really is the most effective treatment for me. My gut feels at ease, I'm regular, too much information, and I feel energized for the day. A love gut will also help alleviate health conditions less directly linked to the gut as well. Things like lactose intolerance, diverticulitis, inflammation, even mental health, skin health, acne, worms, hypothyroidism, Graves' disease, and Hashimoto, so many other autoimmune conditions too. Again, the unique symbiotic formula of quality pre- and probiotics and digestive enzymes and fiber will really help to supercharge your gut. Some probiotics can be quite hard on the stomach, but not Love Your Gut Synbiotic. It's easy to drink. It has a lovely sort of mild flavor. You just need 1 teaspoon each day in water, juice, or a smoothie. It's probably best taken on an empty stomach because the pre- and probiotics and digestive enzymes sort of have less to compete with in your gut. Synbiotic works when it's taken every day. So make it your healthy gut habit. I hope you and your gut enjoy Love Your Gut Synbiotic. Why not give it a try today?